We have 10 secret tips for the Carnival Sunshine, starting with, for a massive balcony at a modest upcharge, book a premium vista balcony. Now, there's only 6 of these on the whole ship, so don't delay. Order today. Get a premium vista balcony. These are on the corner of the aft portion of the ship on 3 of the decks. The wraparound balcony is huge.
Huge.
Plenty of room, plus you get these extra big chairs where you can lay back and enjoy the sun. If you are traveling with a group of people that has multiple cabins, they're going to want to come hang out with you on your balcony.
Right, because it's huge.
It's huge. And the view is amazing because it's an aft balcony. You can enjoy the sunrise and sunset, enjoy the wake view. We always love to get the premium vista balconies. And they really don't cost a lot more than the regular balconies, or certainly the regular aft balconies. We recommend them. The room will have a slightly different layout. It's going to be more of a square room instead of a rectangular room, but we really enjoyed that.
Yep, you'll like it.
Yep.
Definitely.
I agree. What's tip number 2?
Reserve dinner at Cucina del Capitano. Get that garlic bread.
Yes. Okay, so Cucina del Capitano, that's the Italian specialty restaurant.
Right.
And anytime we're on Carnival, we look to go to Cucina del Capitano. And on the Carnival Sunshine, it's a great experience. You mentioned the garlic bread. Tell us about that.
It's the best. It's buttery with lots of garlic and Parmesan cheese. It's gooey and melty. So delicious.
Yeah, it's made up of this pull-apart pieces of bread with a nice garlicky taste, coated with garlic, but then topped off with Parmesan cheese. They've also got awesome pasta and great appetizers and delicious desserts. Like, I really enjoyed their apple tart, and I know you like
the tiramisu.
The tiramisu.
Exactly.
That's a great tip. Carnival Sunshine, secret tip number 3 is be sure to discover the 3-story Serenity Adults Only Retreat. This is one of the most impressive Serenity Adult Only retreats I've seen on any Carnival ship, even ships much bigger. It's 3 decks. It has its own bar, a whirlpool, and it even has a pool with a waterfall.
Ooh, nice.
Yes. You'll find the Serenity Adult Only Retreat on Carnival Sunshine on decks 11, 12, and 14. They don't have a deck 13. But on deck 14, you'll find that great bar. It's 21 or older for all of these areas. Enjoy the pool with waterfall. Go get yourself a drink at the bar. You're going to enjoy the Serenity Adult Only Retreat on Carnival Sunshine.
And that pool is generally empty, so you have it all to yourself.
That's right. And definitely no kids because it's adult only. What's tip number 4?
Tip number 4 is pre-order your bottled water, treats, gifts, and decorations for your stateroom.
Yes, it's a lot of fun to surprise your traveling companion or even somebody that you're traveling with in another room by having Carnival decorate it for you for a special occasion. Surprise them with a fruit plate or other beverages. And we always order the bottled water, so we have that in our room. It makes it very convenient to have in the room and even walk around the ship. And I know you even like to take it when we go ashore.
Exactly.
Yes. Great tips. We hope you like these tips. We got a lot more, but before we continue, give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this. We appreciate the likes. Hit the thumbs up icon below. It really is appreciated. Tip number 5, reserve dinner at one of only 4 JiJi Asian kitchens in the Carnival fleet. The Asian restaurant has traditional Asian dishes and some really interesting creative items like their stock pig. They've got kung pao chicken if you want a traditional dish, and they've got really cool, interesting desserts like they had the ice cream filled crepes. Really cool experience at JiJi Asian Kitchen. There's some 3 bigger ships that have a JiJi Asian Kitchen, but most Carnival Cruise ships don't even have it. You're on Carnival Sunshine, you can reserve it for dinner.
That's right.
Tip number 6.
Find a great hangout spot in the Havana bar
Oh, yeah.
area and then make friends with the bartender. So
Yep.
when they see you, they'll usually will have your drink ready.
Yeah. And the Havana area is, even if you're not going for drinks, even if you don't drink, it's got a great Cuba theme with palm trees, and the decor is just reminiscent of old Havana. And there's seating at the aft of the ship where the Havana bar is located, where you can just hang out all during the day and all during the night. You can play cards and have conversations during the day. You can go over to the Havana bar and enjoy their mini Cuban buffet for breakfast, or get yourself a drink at that friendly bartender you mentioned. That was my favorite bar on Carnival Sunshine. That is an awesome tip.
Right.
Tip number 7, skip the Lido Marketplace Buffet and head to Blue Iguana for breakfast burritos in the morning or tacos for lunch.
I like their tacos.
Yeah, well, their tacos, they make the tortillas right there on the ship. You can watch them, run them through the machine, fresh out, and you tell them what kind you want. I think they had chicken, fish, and pork. And then you can add the toppings you want. Go to the salsa bar, add some extra heat. Of course, they got burritos for lunch too. You tell them what you want in those, and breakfast. They've got the breakfast version of the burritos. You tell them what you want. They've got the eggs. They've got the crunchy potatoes and onions. A lot of great options. Include in the price of your fare. Skip the buffet line. Go to Blue Iguana Cantina.
That's right. So good.
What's tip number 8?
Make a splash at the Carnival Waterworks.
Oh, yeah.
So if you want to cool off and it's really hot, go to Carnival Waterworks. It's a nice place to get cooled off.
Yeah, the kids are going to love this, but I think the adults will too. This is, for the size of the Carnival Sunshine, this is a very large water park area. The Carnival Waterworks has multiple slides, a lot of fun, water, splash time fun. I was very impressed with the Carnival Waterworks. You want to check that out.
Definitely.
If you're impressed with any of this we're sharing and you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. Before we get to our last couple tips, hit the subscribe button below. It doesn't cost anything. It's just a way to follow us so you don't miss out on our future Carnival videos and the videos we do for all the different cruise lines and cruise ships. We really appreciate it.
Yes, we do.
Now, tip number 9, experience the split personality of the Sunshine Atrium Bar. The Sunshine Atrium Bar has this beautiful centerpiece of the sun. I think it's the coolest atrium of any of the Carnival ships.
Mm-hmm.
But that aside, in the daytime, when the sun is shining outside, inside the Sunshine Atrium, it's a relaxed vibe. You can get a drink, or you can just sit down, read, have a conversation. But at night, the energy kicks in.
Mm-hmm.
The bar gets happening. There's activities and entertainment and live music. The Sunshine Atrium Bar, great spot to hang out.
It is. It's very fun.
What's tip number 10?
Book Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse
Ooh.
on your first night so you can get a free bottle of wine.
Oh, yeah.
And have a nice steak.
That's right. I mean, hey, the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse is great anytime with the awesome ribeyes, fillets, seafood, and other delicious food and great service. But on that first night, like Joy said, you get a complimentary bottle of their house white or red wine. So be sure to book for the first night. And for more information on Carnival Sunshine, be sure to watch this video next.